Welcome back to my software business channel, where we dive into the latest tech trends and show you how to stay ahead in the digital age. Today, we're exploring a hot topic: how to make money with OpenAI's GPTs in 2024. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about creating custom GPTs for the OpenAI marketplace. It's all about innovation and uniqueness here. Imagine crafting a GPT that's so specialized, it becomes a must-have for a niche market. The marketplace is buzzing, and there's a real opportunity for profit sharing. The trick? Focus on private datasets or exclusive APIs to keep your GPTs one of a kind. Now, on to our second strategy: launching an AI automation agency. This is where the real game-changing potential lies. Businesses are clamoring for AI solutions, and that's where you come in. By providing bespoke GPT applications, you're not just solving problems, you're also opening doors to ongoing revenue streams and upselling opportunities. And finally, our third strategy: become a freelance GPT specialist. With the demand for GPT expertise skyrocketing, this path is perfect for those who love flexibility and variety in their work. Hone your skills in Python, JavaScript, and the Assistant API. By building a strong personal brand and joining online communities, you can position yourself as the go-to expert in this field. So there you have it, folks. 3 powerful ways to profit from OpenAI's GPTs in 2024. Whether you're a developer, a business strategist, or a tech enthusiast, there's an opportunity out there for you. If you found this video helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on AI, technology, and innovative business strategies. Drop your questions and ideas in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep innovating.